sizama ukutshela uPresident Ramaphosa ukuthi wena uyisigebengu baba, wena uyisigebengu ngempela wena. Ake sikutshele straight ukuthi wena uyisigebengu wena. Utsotsi ntate Ramaphosa, wena utsotsi wena. Ayiyo taba hao. Ntho e etseng ka Masemula ya o kenya mme o wa CFO and all of that, and then we said the top cop. Le stooge sa house as the Minister of Police, so more appointing even without a process and normal. He's not even a member of parliament to Amuklisa because he's a prophet. Wameza Minister of Police. When out to Ramaphosa, Raibona taba ya ruena. You want to make sure you put a leash on the since now he is heading a national anti-crime project whereby he will be dealing with organized crime in all respects. He's got national powers now. And that was authorized by Kimang. Ndate Masemula, almost suspended no. Because obono relationship ya Masemula le Mkhwanazi e sharp. Moshapa ka technicality sa utlwahale, o shapa Masemula ka technicality sa utlwahale. Ha o qeta bo kokenya ausuo position ya Masemula. So that in the interim, since Masemula approved this, in the interim, Mkhwanazi anza pusha tafule ya higher this anti-crime thing, where now you would have your stooge overseeing everything, because Mkhwanazi is now going to be reporting to this lady. And I'll slay him, because Mtasle Mukastola lichel take a gasa matras, gasa couch. And this country is no longer in your control. Mama Gikupa, yeah, steak and yeah, this one, yeah. Medium, ma'am. Medium to other. Yes, thank you. Hard. And the cappuccino.
Regular or omega?
Regular, please.
With froth or cream?
Yeah, okay, Kenya cream, it's not a problem. So I will child and the Ramaphosa.
Afraid of
Utsotsi umkhalajo wena utsotsi wena utsotsi and opelwempi. And a child, this country is no longer in your control in a sense of the ground forces, the South Africans who are fighting for their country. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
I guess ukutshele ke baba Ramaphosa wena nama stooges wakho ama politicians abo Panyaza Lesufi nonke gang comrade what nina jwale South Africa gabi ni nonke ni jwala South Africa gabi nonke we shouldn't be where we are as a country had you done things the right way and stop corruption nyekela ukutshontsha and things like that nyekela ukuthi ni push corruption. We shouldn't be where we are. So says Yakjela ke Baba Ramaphosa, with all due respect, we're not skebegwa wena Ntate Ramaphosa. Mchana kamila hlaya mchana ene yatla lo yena awuna ene Ntate Ramaphosa ukutshela lo wena waya tronko thapelo yaka, and I'm not the only one praying. Waya tronko Anke just straight. Lesele luna. But then when I think about what you've done to this country, you get in a low feet. Hana what you call how South Africans are suffering in their own country. Kaba ngengla yenu nina. Mikolokoti ya leaders, ni mikolokoti of leaders nina. Nimikulukoti of leaders and Grootman Panyaza those dockets di batlang office nya why we instruct the dockets le kena intaba nza maponisi di docket we are where we are ka bakala le kena taba tsa di docket nkhanka mkhana tsena ipatlela di docket tsa PKTT like ena ga le nqela mpi sela sikona ngenxa ya ma dockets wakahlanhla mkhwanazi. Now manje uPremier naye waseGauteng ungena ndaba ama dockets. I guess izela ngicela ukunqoma ubab Ntuli ubab Thamsanqa Ntuli ubab Thabi Ntuli. Ngiyanqoma baba ngoba you are the only leader and a politician and a leader and a premier KZN in your capacity as a premier, not only as an IFP leader but also as a premier. Ukuthi umenathe South Africans ukuthi laba abantu bokufika mamela ukuthi bahambe baye emazweni wabi and wayekhuluma and you even stress le ndaba yokuthi lama tax shops la wema Pakistan and all of that umele ukuthi ama South Africans are nama tax shops. Laba bantu undocumented foreigners, this business that are illegal, they must go back to their own countries, and when they come back, or if they come back, they must come through proper channels. You are the only one when it was not popular, Tamsanga Ntuli, who stood when it was not popular. You're still standing on those words. And you are saying it on government platforms yako in your capacity as a premier. Siyabonga bamthuli. Siyabonga bamthuli.